Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today we are going to talk about one of the important interview question. Question is very basic and very important. This question is related to the foreign key itself. The question is, can we use on delete and on update simultaneously? That's a question. Okay. So last video we talk about different type of the cascading rule when we create a foreign key. So when we say it's on delete, it means that whatever the operation you perform on the parent table with respect to delete, what should be happen on a child table. On update, whatever operation you perform on a parent table related with update, what should happen in a child table. That was actually the case. And after that we talk about what happened when we say set now, what happened when we say set default, and we saw what happened when we say cascade no action. This four thing we tried and demonstrated with on update and on delete, right? But we have seen those things separately. We haven't done practically with the use of simultaneous use, right? So in this video I'm going to show you how we can perform or how we can use this on update and on delete thing simultaneously, and how to write the table definition or how to write the constant for that. So I'm going to show you everything. Okay, to demonstrate this I'm going to use yesterday's script, the one which we have used for the parent uh, video. So let's come back here. So what exactly I'm going to do, I'm going to first drop table child, because we already created and we have this table with us. So let's connect to your respective server. I'm trying to connect to server uh, and passing the query drop table child, then again dropping the table just to making the environment clear. Okay, now this is my parent table. Let's try to understand the create table parent. Those who are new, basically, don't worry, but this script I have used earlier. To save the time of you guys, I'm using the same script. Okay, so in this one just try to understand create table parent. The table definition is order id, the first column, which is basically the primary key. Another column is called as a customer name, and having the data type to varchar of 200. Okay, fine. So this is a parent table. What exactly we are going to do, we are going to create a parent table. Now this is a child table, and this table is having references of the parent table. Now here I have the first column called as order line id, which is related with the child. Then I do have another column called as order id, but this order id references to the parent table with the column order id, right? So this is just definition for linking the parent table to child table. So I link parent table to child table with the column order underscore id. Then I defined some cascading action here. So the cascading action was on update no action, the default one. Same thing I'm going to do with the on delete. So the question was, can we use on update and on delete parallelly? So this is a demonstration. So here you can see on delete I use no action, and then on update no action. This is the default one. I'm going to create this table. So you do you guys understand what exactly it will happen here? No action means nothing will happen. If you want to delete the record from the parent table, first you need to delete the record from the child table. If you say no action, let's see the demo. Then okay, let's create the table first. Then just insert data. I'm inserting data into the parent table. I loaded data into the parent. Then I'm going to insert data into the child table with referencing the order id equal to 1. Now let's come down and let's run the query. Now I'm going to show you what exactly I'm trying to say. Here the order id is 1 in parent table, so I'm going to update this 1 to 5. So let's run the query and see. It won't get executed, it will throw me error. Why? Because we said that the cascading action should be no action. So there should not be any action until you won't delete all the references to the child table. Okay, the same thing I'm going to do with the delete. Let's delete the child all data, or you can simply say delete child where id is equal to 1. Okay, or the column name is order id, so just write order id here, order underscore id. Okay, let's select this. Again we are hitting the delete query, and will we get output? No, we'll again get the error like the, so we didn't get any error because what exactly we did, we removed the child data. Okay, fine, but basically we want to remove the data from the parent one. So again just load the data into the child. Now again come back here and just remove the data from the parent table. Okay, now see, nothing has been happened. We got error that the statement conflicted. So this is an update, this is a delete. When I execute both the query, let's say, because if you run this script like this by placing a go, it means that if the first statement got error out, it will move to another one. Let's do that. I would see the two error in my output. The first is for just the delete, another is for delete. Oh, update. Okay, fine. Now what exactly I'm going to do now? I'm going to change the cascading rule for on delete to I would say set default or set none, and on update no action. What does it mean? It means that if you do delete, then the child record would be updated by, or would be updated by null, and if when I go for update, then there will be no action. I would get the error. Let's do that. Let's drop the table. Let's recreate the table, right? Let's load the data. This is the script I will share uh, in the description section. So I'm going to create table, I'm going to load data into the table, all things happen successfully, perfectly fine. Now the thing which I'm going to talk here, when I perform delete here, I won't get any error. That is my expectation. So, and when I perform update, I would get errors. Let's see. Now I'm going to run the query which is having update, and let's see. I got an update. Oh, I got an error. See, the update statement conflicted. So I'm not able to do update on this table because the cascading rule which I specified as a no action. But for the delete, I specified as a set null. So when I try to delete the parent data, when there is a references to the child one, so what happened in that case? In that case, the null value would be updated there, and the delete will be passed, and the parent entry will get removed. Let's see now. Now if I see, I got the one row output. Okay, it means that whatever I was talking, everything is correct. Perfect. Now come back here, and now here you will see, you won't see any data in the parent table, but you will see the data in the child table, but the id which was the order id which got updated to null, right? This is demonstration that you can use the update and delete with each other. Now what are we going to do? Now let's say on update we was getting error. I'm here changing to cascade. Cascade means if you remove or if you delete anything from the parent, it will automatically remove the entries in the child. So in this case, I'm performing the cascade on the delete. What will happen when I will update value in a parent table? Automatically, the value get updated into the child table. Let's see that. So for demonstration purpose, I'm running the script from the scratch. I'm dropping the table, recreating the table, loading data into the table. Okay, perfectly fine. Let's come back here and let's do that. Now my expectation is that both of the query won't give me any output. So what exactly I'm going to do? I am coming here, I'm doing one thing here. I'm going to run this script with update. Let's say because I specified a cascade operation on the child table. So let's see. Now this is updated. So what my expectation is, when I see my child data, previously the value 1 was referencing from the parent table, now it should move to 5. Let's do that. Let's see, come back here. Let's see. So previously the entry which I loaded was for the order ID was 1. Now it got updated to 5 because of the update statement, and as we said, it's a cascading rule as a cascade. Now see, in the child table also it got updated to 5. For the delete we set null. So when I come here and will execute this, what will happen? This query will not get executed. Why it won't get executed? Because we change value from 1 to 5. So what exactly we need to do? We need to write like this. So we are reverting back again my update. Let's do that. Updated one. Now again coming back here, running the script, and I will see one row affected. Again coming back to the queries and running the script. Let's see now. I can see one row has been deleted from the parent table and the entry in the child table has been removed. The references has been removed, right? So this is the demonstration and the understanding of the constraint, that how you can use the different cascading rule on a same primary key column. Here we have used on delete. So what would be my different cascading rule for on delete, what are my different cascading rule for update, all things I specified. So it's not mandatory that you should always follow the same cascading rule for on update and on delete. You can try with the mix mode as we tried in for demonstration. Also you can go for the same cascading mode. We also seen that one. So there is no such restriction. So answer of this question is yes, we can use on delete and on update cascade operation with a foreign key in a query when we work on the foreign key constraint. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys really liked our video, please don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. And if you really like, please don't forget to comment over the comment section here on YouTube, and it will motivate us and we'll get to know that people are enjoying our video, they are getting helpful knowledge, and they will becoming the pro in SQL. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.